Most people want an uncontested divorce, but what does that actually mean? An uncontested divorce means you and your spouse have already come to agreements on all of the issues that need to be settled to resolve the case. Now, one of the complexities with this is usually people who don't do divorces every day, people who are not divorce attorneys, do not necessarily understand what each of the elements are that need to be satisfied in order to make a divorce an uncontested divorce. Nonetheless, if you feel that you have a significant amount of the issues already resolved with your partner directly, I would encourage you to still reach out to an attorney. It can be really helpful to have us draft the documentation for you and to help guide you through even an uncontested divorce. If there's a single issue that you don't agree on, your uncontested divorce becomes a contested divorce. And if you're not able to come to an agreement on that issue, you may require litigation. We're hopeful we'll be able to help navigate you through that and to actually come to full agreements. But in the event we're not able to and we have to litigate one or more of those issues, we'll be ready. Uncontested divorce doesn't mean instant. Here's a timeline of what to expect. Uncontested divorces in Arizona typically can be resolved in something like 3 to 4 months. There's a 60-day conciliation period, meaning there's a period of 60 days where you cannot get divorced. During that process, you can still be working towards resolving the case, but you cannot finalize the case with a divorce decree. Your divorce is most likely to be a contested divorce. Here's why. Divorces in Arizona have a lot of issues that need to be addressed. And just given the nature of the situation, you're separating from your spouse. You're probably not on the best of terms. If you are, that's great, but you still might not see eye to eye on everything. My guess is there's probably 1 or 2 issues that you guys could use a little bit of help with, a little bit of a push from someone who's been through this process before so that they can help guide you and show you what the court would be likely to order in that situation if you did end up litigating the issue. Thinking you can handle a contested divorce on your own? Think again. Contested divorces are tough. They're tricky. Even us, we do this every single day. We've handled thousands of divorces. There still can be tricky issues that we haven't addressed before. It's really important that you have an experienced attorney to help guide you through that process. Contested divorces can be long cases. They can be grueling cases. There can be issues that need to be resolved in order for you to be able to move on with your life. It's really important that you take a contested divorce seriously. Usually having an experienced attorney helping you through that process will actually save you money because we're going to be able to add a lot of value to your case and to make sure you get what you're entitled to throughout the process of that contested divorce. Do you have questions about the difference between uncontested and contested divorces? If you do, give the team at Desert Legal Group a call. We'd love to meet with you and hear about your situation.